Okay, so first you read the problem. It says the cube above has a volume equal to V. So you know that you're going to be needing the formula for the volume. So volume equals S cubed. Okay? And then it says find the perimeter of triangle ABC. So the perimeter of triangle ABC, if you look at the diagram, ABC would consist of 3 diagonals, right? So you know that. So you put it in 3D. And then your next, the next thing you will do now is to find an expression of the perimeter in terms of V, because if you look at the choices, they are all expressions with V. So this perimeter, which is in terms of D, have to be rewritten, or what do you call this? Have to be transformed so that it will be in terms of V. So I need to find something to replace my D. Okay? Now, for my D, I know that my D is part of this triangle here, part of this triangle, and it's a right triangle, I know, and I know that this is S and S because it's a cube. So using Pythagorean theorem now, I will find D by using Pythagorean theorem, and it will be D squared equals S squared plus S squared, right? And that gives me D squared equals 2S squared. And so if I want D, that will be square root of 2S squared. And the square root of S squared is S, so I'm going to put S outside and leave the square root of 2, right? Or leave the 2 inside the square root. Okay? So that's my D. So I can now replace my perimeter with 3 times, okay, I'm now going to substitute D with S square root of 2. And this will be 3 square root of 2 times S, right? I'm just putting all the constants together. 3 times square root of 2, S. Now, I have the formula P, but it's still in terms of S. I have to change that S, this S. I have to change that to a V. And where do I get it? So I look back. I know that V is S cubed, right? So now from here, I know that V is S cubed. I want an expression for S. So I know that this is going to be cube root of V equals S, right? So now I'm able to express S in terms of V. I'm now going to put it here. I will replace my S with that. So my P becomes 3 square root of 2 times cube root of V. Is that clearer now? Okay, so I hope this becomes, I hope that like my way of attacking the problem helps you. Okay?